Welcome back to my channel Butterfly Art and Craft. In this video I upload the DP's pictures for WhatsApp. You can use it as a mobile wallpaper for Instagram, Facebook and so on. If you like this video, subscribe to Butterfly Art and Craft channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification for new videos. I hope all you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, share to your friends and relatives. Don't skip the videos. I upload a lot of beautiful pictures. Till the end of the video, you can enjoy it. Which DP you like the most? Comment below. If you have a free time, you can visit my channel. I upload the DP's pictures a lot. You can use it for your mobile.